everyone! Today's video is all about the colour yellow. We love the colour yellow and I think it's actually my favourite. Is it, Anna? Yes, Elsa, I think it's my favourite colour. Well, mine's blue, but I love yellow too. But look at this big field we're in. It's so big and beautiful. Full of yellow flowers. But what flowers are they, Elsa? They're actually called rapeseed flowers, and it's the kind of crop that makes nice beautiful oil when you press it. But at the moment it's still flowering. Let's go for a walk and have a look. At the moment there's lots of fields like this. That's because quite often it's the yellow flowers that bloom first. Did you know why that is? We're not sure, but let's learn more about the colour yellow. Look, Anna, it goes on forever. Oh my goodness. That is humongous. And it's very big, isn't it, girls? Look at that. I can hardly see the end. My goodness me. I think we ought to go home and make something out of the colour yellow. So we're back in our own garden now, and girls, you found some dandelions. Yes, we found some dandelions. May you please make us a headdress out of them? Yes, I would love to. I know a very good way to make headdresses out of dandelions. Let's collect some more first, and then I'll show you. And look how many we've got, everyone. We're gonna make a beautiful headdress, aren't we, girls? Yay! We're so excited. I know. And this is how you make a headdress. Take a dandelion, and then you take another one, and then you lay it on top. Flip it round itself, and then along like that. Let's just try it again. Lay the next one on, flip the stalk around in between the two, and then round the new one like that. And then you just continue like this, and it will get longer and longer. Look at this. That's the way to make a very easy headdress. Let's keep going. So I'm just going to put it to the right size for you, and then I'm going to use a few dandelions to kind of tie it together like this, so it's the right size. There we go. Let's try it on. Ooh, exciting! There we go. Oh, you look really pretty, Anna. Thank you so much. There you go, Elsa. There's your flower crown made of dandelions. Thank you so much. That's so pretty. I think you guys look very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. We loved having fun with the colour yellow, and we hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Bye. See you next time.